So a lot of guys are like, Sea-Doo is better because it's got more horsepower. Stock for stock, it's 290, dude. Sea-Doo makes 290. Yamaha makes 285. So it's a 5 horsepower difference. Again, it's for milliseconds. Super short. But if they want to get into the whole screen thing, then yeah, it's 5 horsepower. Okay? But if you uncork them, put a scum on a Sea-Doo. Remember me? Okay. I always say that my 4, I said 5. My 4, like, number 1 mods you got to put on a Sea-Doo. Number 1 is scum. Put a scum unit on. Speed control override module. You don't even need to reflash the ECU. It'll go 8,000 RPM, make 300 horse. RXTX runs, what, 76, 77? I did 75, and I had a full tank of gas and my heavy butt on it. So a lightweight little guy will go 77 all day long without even messing with the ECU. And you can take a scum off in about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Takes no time at all. Number 2 is the Riva stock 8000 tune on the Yamaha. That requires a reflash of the ECU. But all of a sudden, with that tune, let's go back over our work, kids. With just not the stage 1, but just the unlocked tune. All right, that's the stock 8000 tune. 290 horse, 7,800 RPM, 10 PSI, hauling ass all day long. Doing 76, 77. All right. And that's not even messing with the boost control. The boost control is the stage 1. So now you're making 300 horse at 8,000 RPM, 12 PSI. Dude. All right. I got to say this. I have to laugh. Stock stuff is kind of boring. Stock skis, they're fun, kind of boring. And you want to know why? Because the guys at Yamaha, the guys at Sea-Doo build a ski to go from A to Z, and then they restrict the hell out of it to go to. I used to make the joke. I used to make the joke that Yamaha made the SVHO go from A to Z and then restricted it back to L. All right, it's so strangled. The SVHO is so strangled. You remember when the first GPs had that flame arrestor in the intake? It was so restrictive. And all you had to do was pop that thing out, and all of a sudden you picked up like 4 miles an hour. It was ridiculous. All right. Yamaha built these things. Sea-Doo built these things. Cowie even built their skis restricted. Honestly. And why do they restrict them? Yeah, Coast Guard. Coast Guard. Coast Guard says, I don't want them going 70, guys. Okay. You guys can't have them go 70. Okay, fine. Yes, sir. So what do? They hamstring the skis. All right. But if all it takes is a scum for a Sea-Doo, I mean, come on, dude. A scum on a Sea-Doo, you're going mid-70s, a true 300 horse at $8,000. Sign me up. All right. Same story with a reflash on a Yamaha. I'm going, making 290, going the same speed. It takes less effort and less gas to go just as fast. Okay, sign me up for that too. All right. They intentionally hamstring these skis. And yeah, they do it for the Coast Guard. You want to know the other reason? Because people are dumb. You're literally half the time, honestly, I want to say half of the RXPX owners are dinglings. Not because they bought a cool ski. It's a great ski. Cool ski. Totally would love one. Woo! Heartbeat. Sign me up. But they're dinglings because they don't know how to ride that thing. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.